Hello everyone. Today we introduce the top ceiling entermount slide. The first one is a three-fold full extension soft close one. It also can be made in push open. It can for adjustment. You can choose 3D click. You can choose 3D click. This one, or 1D click, or adjustment screws. The loading capacity for 3D one, for full extension one, is 30 kg. You can see this one is soft close, also can be push open. The second one is half extension two-fold one. This one cannot be push open, only soft close. And for adjustment, you can only choose adjustment screws or 1D click. Cannot match 3D. This loading capacity is 20 kg. For this full extension one, the thickness is 1.8, 1.8, 1.4, and 1.0. For this half extension is 1.4 and 1.4. For these two models, the production capacity in our factory is 20 containers per month. So if you have any interest, kindly leave a message and we will quote the best quotation for you.